Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads, some clear pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and I have a few feet of string. You're also going to need some kind of specialty bead. I'm going to use stars, but if you don't have these, you can use a different type of bead. Just whatever you have on hand. And you're going to start with this pattern here. So if you want to pause the video, you're going to put on one clear and then 5 of each color with a clear in between. Once you have those on, you're going to tie this. And we're going to cut the small end off. You're going to take your needle and put that on. Okay, now we're going to grab this string and pull it down. You just want the knot to be behind this clear bead. And we're going to put 5 purple on and go through the clear. We're going to put 5 blue on. Go through the clear. Five green. Go through the clear. Five yellow, go through the clear. Five orange, go through the clear. Okay, 5 pink. Now, to start the next row, we need to go through this clear and all 4 of these purple. And this is what it looks like so far. Okay, for this row, we're only going to add 3. So a purple, clear, and blue to line up with this over here. And we're going to go through the 3 middle blue beads. So skip this one and go through these 3. That's what it looks like. Now the next one, we're going to do blue, clear, and green. And we're going to go through the middle 3 green beads. So that's what it looks like so far. Green, clear, and yellow. Go through these 3. Go through the 3 orange. We're going to go through the 3 pink. Okay, this is the last set for this row. We're going to go through the 4 purple and then 1 clear. This is what it looks like so far. Now we're going to add 5 beads. We're back to 5. So we're going to add 5 of each color. And we're going to go through the clear. Go through the clear. Go through the clear bead. Go through the clear. Go through the clear. Okay, this is the last set. Okay, we need to go through this clear and these 3 blue. And this is what it looks like so far. Now we need to get our specialty beads. And we're coming out of this middle blue. You're going to add the star or whatever bead you choose. And you see our strings coming out this direction. We want to go the opposite way. So we're going to go this way. We're going to add another blue. And you see our strings coming out this way. We're going to go the opposite way. And this time we need to go through these 3 blue, this clear, that's what it looks like. And then we need to go through 3 green. Okay, we're going to add a green. We're going to go through this green, the middle one. Add a green star. This time we're going to go through 3 and this one. And 3 yellow. We're going to add yellow. Go through the middle. Add yellow. Go through 3. The clear. And then these 3. We're going to add orange, go through this middle. Orange. This is the last set. And for this one, I'm going to go through these two and then tie it. And then you can cut this off. And this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.